Want to command higher rental rates and attract discerning tenants? Consider offering. Greetings, fellow real estate investor. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of rental properties investment. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, this comprehensive guide will equip you with 7 proven strategies to maximize your rental properties cash flow. If you are new to this channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This way, you will stay updated and won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'm Korianne, and I cannot wait to continue sharing my real estate investment journey with all of you. We have got a lot to cover, so let's get started. I know it takes time to find and equip great cash flow properties. You have done the hard part, and now we can focus on how to manage it so that you can maximize the cash flow of your rental to accelerate your cash flow bucket so you can reach your financial goals and financial independence sooner. First and foremost, let's talk about strategy number 1, tenant screening. This step is the foundation for successful rental property investment. Implementing a thoroughly tenant screening process is paramount. By meticulously selecting qualified and responsible tenants, you significantly minimize the risk of late or missed rental payments, property damage, and legal headache down the road. If you're taking on the role of property manager personally, it's crucial to have a grasp of current tenants and landlord laws. Additionally, you should be adept at screening prospective tenants by evaluating their income, rental history, and credit profile. It's essential to meticulously verify all the documents they provide as part of their rental applications. If you have entrusted the property management to a professional property managers, it's important to familiarize yourself with their tenants' application approval procedures. Ensure that their application process aligns with your specific objectives and requirements. Prior to approval process, communicate any specific references or considerations you would like your property manager to be aware of. This would help ensure that tenant selection align with your expectations and goals for the property. Strategy number 2, rental market trends analysis. Next up, it's time to become a market expert. Explore rental market trends in your area, understand the demand and supply dynamics. I prefer to invest in the area with a substantial percentage of tenant renters, typically exceeding 30%. This ensures a consistent demand for rental properties, which can be advantageous for my investment strategy. Research rental rates for similar properties in your neighborhood. This knowledge will allow you to price your rental property competitively, ensuring it stands out in the market. Attracting qualified tenants will not only reduce vacancy, but also increase your profit potential. Strategy number 3, maintenance and property appeal. Maintaining your rental property is non-negotiable. Regularly inspect and address any maintenance issues promptly. A well-maintained property not only attracts better tenants, but also reduce vacancies. Don't underestimate the power of the curb appeal. Keep the property's exterior and landscaping in top shape to make a lasting first impressions. My property management company conducts annual property inspections for a fee and provide me with a property condition report for my review. They also inform me about any necessary repair or improvements to ensure tenant satisfaction and encourage longer tenant stays. Strategy number 4, periodic rental increase. Cash flow is a king in rental investment. To ensure your cash flow stay robust and keep up with inflation, consider implementing rental increases over time. Periodically review and adjust your rental rates according to the market trends. This proactive approach will help you maintain a healthy cash flow that allows you to continue to keep the property in great conditions, which in turn keep your tenants satisfied. Typically, my property manager send me a rental comparison report for properties in the same area about a month before the current lease expires. This helps us make informed decisions regarding rental rate adjustments. If you are not utilizing a property manager, you can alternately hire a local real estate agent to compile a current rental comparisons. This way, you have access to the sufficient data to determine whether to maintain the current rate aligned with the market or if an increase is warranted. Strategy number 5, value-added service and amenities. Want to command higher rental rates and attract discerning tenants? Consider offering additional service or amenities. Think about including utilities, providing in-unit laundry facility, or offering an on-site parking options. This extra perk can justify higher rental rate, improve tenant retention, and ultimately boost your profits. Some of these amenities are applicable to tenants living at your apartment complex. Regarding residential units, you have an option to provide complimentary internet or wireless services. Additionally, if your property includes a pool, consider offering a monthly pool cleaning service as an added benefit to your tenants. Strategy number 6, minimizing vacancy rate. Keeping vacancy rates low is crucial for your bottom line. To achieve that, you will need to master the art of effective marketing of your rental properties. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes online listing, eye-catching photos, and compelling property descriptions. Regular showing and promptly responsive to inquiries are essential. Minimizing the time between tenants ensure a steady stream of rental income. During the off-peak moving season, you may consider provide 1 month of free rent to facilitate the shift, transition between tenants turnovers, and ensure your property is promptly occupied. Strategy number 7, leveraging technology. Last but certainly not least, let's talk tech in today's digital age. Technology can be your best friend in rental property management. Considering adopting property management software, this powerful tool can automate rent collections and tenant communication and streamline your administrative tasks. It's a game changer that frees up your time while ensuring your property runs like a well-oiled machine. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to unlock rental property success. This proven strategy, from thoroughly tenant screening to leveraging technology, will help you maximize your rental property's cash flow. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth guides like this. And be sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave the comment below. I love to hear from our viewers. Thank you for joining me today. Happy investing. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao.